What's up, dudes? I just got back from the grocery store. They had some really good meat deals going on at Cub Foods. If you shop at Cub and you don't know about their meat deals, I'll explain it to you. If you're not from Minnesota, Cub Foods is a local grocery store chain. So if you look at Cub, they will put these green stickers on meat that has to be used or frozen within the next day or two. And then they put the food on super sale to just make way for the newer stuff. Now, that doesn't mean that it is expired on that day. It means there is a window from when the butchers and packages up the meat that they can guarantee that it's the absolute freshest. And that's what that window is. And so it's guaranteed just as fresh as the day it was cut. And that's only a certain window. And so if you buy it during that window at the end and put it in your freezer, you will get the same quality of meat as that was for sale the first day it was available, but it costs so much more money. And so that's how you can eat really good for not a lot of money, by looking for these green stickers, and you have to be able to use a freezer. And then when you're ready to eat it, you take it out, you thaw it, and then you cook it that night. So what we got today, what I found was some ground beef for $5.19 for just over a pound, which was a good deal, so I threw it in there. Here's some, what does that say? Boneless beef cube steak. So this is cube steak. I could also use it as kind of like hamburger if I needed that. It's normally $5.69, and it was $2.99 today. And I got two of them. This one was $2.75. Over here, I got all these strips. What do they call them? Stir fry? Yeah. Beef stir fry of a beef round steak. And this is usually expensive, $9.27. I got it for $4.63. These are good for tacos, all that kind of stuff. Each of them they're just thin slices of beef. And they had two of them, so I got both of them. And then here is some stew meat. And that stew meat is normally $9.47. I got it for $5.03. So I got a lot of meat for not a lot of money that I'm now going to repackage into some freezer bags, and that's what we'll be eating off of. I also got this amazing, sometimes by the butcher, they have kind of like the fancy meat section. I always check there too, because they do put that meat on sale too. And so I don't know what this was originally, but this is a really nice pork shoulder porchetta roast. And it was only $7.73, and it's a huge roast. Almost 4 pounds. And so that was a big score. And I think that's probably going to go in the crock pot for tonight. And then also, the other good thing at Cub Foods, I needed some vitamins from my daughter and I. And they have a vitamin sale, buy one, get one free. And so these vitamins are $17.99 a bottle. And I got another bottle of $17.99 vitamins for free. So lots of good deals at Cub Foods. That's how you shop them. Now I'm going to go throw some dinner in the crock pot.